Alright, what we have here is the classic slow power windows on a Miata. So this is going to be the before video, and we'll measure the time for the window to go full down. Now the first test we'll do here is with the car not running, operating on battery power, and we will be testing both windows at once because with the Miata, that's how the power windows are used most often. You go ahead and drop both windows, then drop the top. So let's go ahead and test this. Turning key on, turning music off, and here we go, both windows. I would say that is pretty slow, and I did not count to find out exactly what kind of time we were looking at, but let's do it again. And just for reference sake, the passenger window seems to be a little bit faster. So let's try this again. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008. Alright, so 8.5 seconds for full down. Alright, so that's going to be our baseline, and we're now going to go ahead and lube up the channels here and see what we get. Alright. Right now, it's been a couple of hours. I have lubed both window regulators for the Miata here, and our previous time was 8 or 8.5 seconds. So let's see what we got now. Same test conditions. The car is not running. This will be on battery power only, and I guess the ambient temperature is maybe 8 degrees warmer than it was. So let's go ahead and try this. Key on, and here we go. 1001, 1002, 1003. I would say that that is a significant improvement. Alright, let's measure them going up. I don't think I did that on the other one, but let's do it anyway. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1000. So about 4 seconds to go all the way up. Nonetheless, I am very pleased with that. I expect that with the engine running it would be even faster, but as far as I'm concerned, there's no point in measuring that. I think those are pretty quick for a Miata. Alright, thanks a lot.